Alright all, just a super short little video. It's been raining, I've just had a little tinker in the shed. I ordered some tube from Slingshots the other day. It turned up yesterday, so I thought I'd get it out today. And I have been practicing with bigger tube. I'm not sure what size this tube is. I think it's 16 something. I can't. I'm not sure, so I'm not going to say what it is. But it's a small one anyway. I had a thicker one, this one, and I was all over the shop with it. It's all right for tin can sort of stuff at 10 meters, but no real accuracy in it. So I've got this smaller one. Got a little GZK on it pouch, and I've been doing, yeah, you'll see in the video, I've gone on a 60mm, and I'm getting the hang of it. I mean, the trick is to that, you know, I can't go too wide or too small, so sort of in the middle. So I try and get around 90, but obviously I've tried putting string around and it don't work. So it's just practice and muscle memory, and I'll get there in the end. But no, it's another skill I'm learning, and I like it. So I mean, how easy is that? Just the ultimate concealed carry. So have a carry a few little. I'm shooting 8mm as well, so a few little 8mm in the pocket, and job done. Little tin can anywhere, and you can plink away. So I'll put a video in now, and we'll see how I do.